many complex diseases are already being successfully treated in the state. Presently, the government is giving more emphasis and importance on telemedicine services. Trauma Care Center has been started at Gumuti, Dholai and South District Hospital, and very shortly we are going to start in North District Hospital. Our government has approved new district hospitals for Khuai and Sipaijola district. 100 more beds has been increased in the Gumuti district hospital. One homeopathic medical college is going to be established in Agartala, and another Ayurvedic medical college will be started. Integrated Ayush Hospital of Gumuti district will be started there. So for that we have been given for each of these institutions 75 crores from the government of India. There is a proposal for establishment of a new medical college in Dholai